Hey, it's Nick from Video Hub. If you're locked out of your Avigilon Unity video client software and don't remember your administrator login, then today I'm going to show you how to reset your password on a Windows-based system even if you can't log in with admin privileges. This reset has big impacts on your system. You will need to shut down your Avigilon Unity video server software. This will also stop all video recordings. You will also remove all users from the system, and all user rules, alarms, and email configurations will be broken and in need of fixing. So if you're prepared for these impacts, let's jump in. Start by opening your Avigilon Unity admin tool and click Shutdown to stop the server. This step may take a minute. Select the Settings tab and click the storage icon. Here, you'll see one or more drives. Look for the one labeled Config Volume. Take note of which drive it is. Mine's the C drive. This is where your user folder is located, so let's go change it. Open the File Explorer on your computer and navigate to the drive you noted down. Open the Avigilon config folder, then DB folder, then the directory shared folder. Alternatively, you can copy and paste the folder path from the description below. Locate the users folder and rename it to users.old. Now we'll restart our video server. Start your Avigilon Unity video server again by clicking Startup on the admin tool we opened earlier. You can then reopen your client software. Log in with the username administrator, no password necessary. You will be asked to set a new password. Make it tough but memorable. This process will need to be completed on each server in your site. Now that you can log in, here are a few steps to get you fully back up and running. Create a backup administrator account by opening the menu, clicking the Site Setup, Users and Groups, and Add User. Fill out the form, then open the Members of tab, select Administrators, then click OK. Since you're here, recreate any users or groups that were deleted by repeating the last steps while providing the correct privileges for each user. Now, test and fix any broken configurations related to users and groups, and if necessary, activate or reactivate any licenses. For more information on password resets for Linux-based systems, visit support.avigilon.com. And for more Avigilon videos, subscribe to this channel.